Hello again. Welcome everyone to another exciting video where we are going to teach you about how to create coloring books and just nail anything that you're trying to do here. This is going to be exceptional because in the previous videos where we ever talked about the coloring books and how to combine ChatGPT and how to combine Midjourney along with ChatGPT and to get the desired results, that was a little bit tedious. But this time, ChatGPT 4 has actually, it has made things exceptionally easier for us to do. Now, in this video, what we're going to do is that we are going to use GPT-4 and we are going to find any existing GPTs which are available to us by the community. And those GPT-4s are going to run and create the awesome coloring books for us. And of course, there are a lot of people around who are more intelligent and who are trying to do these experiments all the time. But I have actually stumbled upon some cool GPTs which are able to do things which we had to do previously using Midjourney, generating prompts with ChatGPT and, just using those prompts in Midjourney. Frankly speaking, I haven't used Midjourney since my last tutorial, so I'm just going to ignore that. And of course, this is all about ChatGPT. So what we're going to do here is, you log into ChatGPT, use GPT-4 and click on Explore GPTs, and you're going to land on this screen. I have actually, expanded the screen to ensure that we have full view of GPTs. Now, in this GPT here, oh, there you go. Probably that was something I was searching before. So you just see coloring book here. So I will in fact type coloring. And there are tons of GPTs here, which you can, create for, or which you can use for, I'm sorry, to create coloring books. And we are just going to use a book that I haven't um, used before. So let's see. So let's use adult coloring page creator. So let's use this one. Or maybe, yeah, let's try this one. Okay, so we're gonna use this adult coloring page creator and see how does it perform because I haven't used this GPT before. So this is going to be a brand new experiment. And we are going to click on one of the few prompts that we have been suggested by this GPT here. It says create a coloring page with floral mandala designs. Okay, there we go. So we're going to click on that and let's see what it comes up with. We'll have to wait for some time. So it really boils down to the fact that community has made such marvelous kind of combination of GPTs that it's amazing. And this is something perfect that you can use for your coloring pages, right? So it's as simple as that. Just in one click or two clicks, you're able to generate your coloring book pages. This is phenomenal, I must say. So let's try another variant of this. Now I will actually just tell it to create another version. Uh, Please create another page with floral mandala design, or maybe another coloring page, but add some natural, maybe do what? Natural scenery to it. Let's see. I mean, I'm just putting some garbage prompt here. Of course, garbage in is equal to garbage out. That's how the AI prompting world performs. But here, we are just going to show you examples of, my goal is to show you examples of how does this thing performs and what is the power of GPT-4 here. I don't even have to use Midjourney for this. So let's see. I mean, there you go. Look at the power of this. So that's probably the newest find, and I'll keep it to this short tutorial. I'll just keep it till here, and just do your experiments. Let me know in the comments below that how does it go for you. Um, I'm actually very excited to try this out. Frankly speaking, I've been out due to some professional, responsibilities and the stuff that I had to do. Of course, I'm not a full-time YouTuber, and I'm not a guy who actually sells something on YouTube or do affiliate marketing or stuff. I'm actually responsible for doing a lot of technical stuff in my day job, but here I just play around with these tools and have fun with them. So I apologize for being out of the picture for so long, but I'll try to be more consistent now. And this is the first version of the new series of trying to explore further and do some more deep dives into exploration of these tools and try to find some good use cases. But this is something that you must definitely try for your coloring pages. So I'll definitely recommend this. Stay tuned for the next video, and you just have a good time. I'll leave you to this experiment and tell me how did you perform and how did you create your coloring books. So all the best with this. Um, until next time, take good care. Bye bye.